Hello, and thank you for your interest in the Case Formulation Template. This tool is designed to help therapists create clear, organized, and professional case formulations efficiently. Whether you're a mental health professional, a social worker, or counselor, this template streamlines the documentation process while also keeping everything easily accessible. I'm here to guide you through this template created by Abelovich Yuliya, available for purchase at the Wise Spreadsheet shop on Etsy.com. Let's take a look. So the template is built in Google Sheets, making it simple to use and fully customizable. So here we are inside of Google Sheets, and here's how the template works. So we've got a bunch of easy input fields firstly. And we begin by entering some basic information like client's name, age, and occupation. Then we move on to the structured sections. So the template is divided into very clear categories. And the first one is vulnerabilities. And these include things like biological, psychological, and social factors, with pre-filled in drop-down menus to make selection quick and straightforward. So how does that work? For example, here under psychological, we click on the drop-down and we have a bunch of different pre-filled in options that we can choose very quickly. It is the same for social and the same for biological. So that makes filling it in very quick and straightforward. Another section here are strengths. So this section highlights the client's personal, social, and professional strengths. And again, we have the ready-made options that save a lot of time so we can easily fill out this whole document. Moving on, we have the problems section. And here you can record symptoms, duration, and severity. And again, we have the drop-down menus. This is for speed and efficiency. And if we scroll down, we have the trigger section. You can identify external, internal, and other triggers. And again, you have the preloaded options on the drop-down menus, which are fully customizable, and you can just choose what you need as you need them. There is an hypothesis section and a treatment plan. So this template includes a dedicated section for creating a personalized treatment plan. You can choose therapy types, focus areas, and additional interventions. And again, you've got the drop-down menus, and you can enter your own tailored details as needed for these different drop-down menus. There's also a notes and signature section, so there's space for any additional notes, as well as a field for signature and date, and that's to maintain professionalism and completeness. So why is this template so practical? There are a few reasons. Firstly is the customizable menus. So we've already seen these drop-down menus, and they are preloaded with common options, but you can also edit them to fit your unique practice or client needs as necessary. And you would do that under this customization tab, where you can fill in what you need for your different preloaded options. Then this file is digital and printable. So you fill it in directly here in Google Sheets, and then you can save it as a PDF, or you can print it to use in clients' files. And that's very easy to do. So we would go to File, we go here to the bottom to Print, and here is a preview of what's going to be printed and what you can place in your clients' files. Of course, the template is also reusable. So the file stays here in your Google Drive, and you can make unlimited copies for new cases without having to buy additional templates from the store. So how do you do that? Again, it's very easy. You go to File, you go here where it says Make a Copy, and you can name it what you want. We make a copy, and there it is. There is my new case file for a new client. So you can purchase it and download it directly from the Wise Spreadsheet store on Etsy.com. It's ready to use immediately, and it's designed to enhance your documentation process. Thank you again for watching.